Hello dear friends, welcome to watch Magic Stone Basalt video. Basalt is famous for its uniqueness. The pure natural beauty makes basalt have great charm. Our basalt factory is located in Inner Mongolia, with outdoor stockyard and indoor workshop. We have sufficient raw material. The stockyard has 13,000 square meters, and we deliver 200 to 300 containers every year. Usually, the delivery time is about 1 month. In all our basalt products, basalt fountain is our best-selling products. Besides the fountain, we also have bird bath table bench, lantern and paving stone, unique raw surface and simple finish. Give the basalt fountain a wild beauty. This is the most impressive feature of the basalt fountain, suitable for both indoor and outdoor landscape decor. The sound of water makes you feel relaxed. Nowadays, many famous interior designers like use basalt for indoor landscaping, which can elevate the space taste. As long as you wish, you can use the uniqueness of basalt. Create a natural space of your own. In the towering buildings of the city, the outdoor basalt fountain, it has different aesthetic feeling. Your garden will look more stylish with their embellishments. The most distinctive feature of our products is pure natural, environmentally friendly, and pollution-free. We can also make customized design. Our basalt factory has large production capability and many years of accumulated experience. In this regard, we have full confidence that as long as you put forward your needs, we will definitely be able to make a design that satisfies you. Welcome, contact us for catalog and subscribe our YouTube channel. Name is called Magic Stone Garden. Thanks for watching our video. See you next time.